Welcome to CoinSchool.in, India's free reference for coins, banknotes and stamps. Identify a coin from a photo, see what it really sold for, build a professional catalog, and follow every auction and exhibition in the country. Here's a quick tour. Everything lives under the tabs at the top, and the How to Use page walks you through each tool, step by step. Start with Know Your Coin. Upload photos of both sides, adjust the crop, and tap Identify. In about 10 seconds it reads the coin and compares it against reference images from the internet. Here's the verdict: the likely state, ruler and mint with confidence scores, a typical price range from actual sales, and similar coins from past auctions to compare with. Background removal and merge turns kitchen table photos into a dealer-style plate. The AI lifts each coin off its background and merges obverse and reverse with your watermark. There is a full tutorial on this one. Create description writes a catalog-style description from simple fields, or looks your coin up in the KM catalog and real auction descriptions and fills itself. It prints coin holder labels too. Registered members get a private collection register and a catalog builder, photos, metal, weight, KM number, prices, with a one-click professional PDF and a shareable public link with QR code. Coin tracing turns a photo into a clean numismatic line drawing, Persian calligraphy, punch marks, portraits, computed from the coin's own pixels, so nothing is invented. There's a full manual editor and a legend keyboard as well. The Brahmi keyboard types Western Kshatrapa coin legends in the script's authentic letter forms, copy them into Word, or download as an image. Tray Splitter takes one photo of a whole tray of obverses and one of reverses, detects every coin, pairs them up, and gives you a merged image per coin. The catalog covers Republic India coins, India Post stamps, and fancy number and 786 banknotes with indicative prices. Auction archives is the heart of it all. 4.7 lakh sold lots from every major Indian auction house. Search any coin and see what it actually fetched with photos, house and date. Follow upcoming auctions and live lots, and every coin exhibition across India, dates, venues and contacts in one place. Want to sell? Send photos, get an honest quote based on real auction prices, and settle the deal in person in Indore with instant UPI payment. And whenever you are stuck, ask Coin Agent, a chat assistant that knows the archive, what a coin is, what it sells for, how to read its date or legend. Install CoinSchool as an app on your phone, read it in Hindi, browse the guides, and behind it all is a panel of experienced numismatists. This was just the overview. We are releasing a separate short video for every feature: Know Your Coin, background removal and merge, create description, the catalog builder, coin tracing and more, each in English and in Hindi, so you can learn every tool step by step. Watch for them on CoinSchool.in. And a launch offer: the first 500 members to register get everything free for a full year. Register now at CoinSchool.in. CoinSchool.in, built by collectors for collectors. See you there.